Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best oil extractor available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started. Starting with our first pick, EWK Oil Extractor. This oil extractor is a practical and efficient solution for DIY vehicle maintenance, making oil changes cleaner, faster, and far more convenient. By extracting oil directly through the dipstick tube, it eliminates the need to lift the vehicle or crawl underneath, reducing mess and saving valuable time. Its dual-mode operation offers excellent versatility, allowing manual use in remote locations or pneumatic operation for faster extraction speeds of up to 1.8 liters per minute when compressed air is available. The extended suction tubes reach deep into reservoirs to remove nearly all used fluid, promoting cleaner engine operation and more effective maintenance. Beyond engine oil, it can also handle transmission fluid, coolant, and power steering fluid across a wide range of vehicles, including cars, motorcycles, boats, jet skis, and lawn equipment. Built for durability and ease of use, this extractor is an excellent investment for enthusiasts seeking professional quality maintenance results from the comfort of their own garage. Next up, we have 4 Uncle's Oil Extractor. This 200 cubic centimeters oil extractor pump is a well-designed maintenance tool that delivers precision, cleanliness, and reliability for fluid transfer tasks. Constructed from durable materials, it features a double-sealed rubber ring system and precision-threaded tube connections that create an airtight, leak-resistant seal, minimizing spills and ensuring efficient fluid extraction every time. The Quick Connect locking buckle allows the tubing to be attached or removed with a simple press, making operation fast and hassle-free, while the included spare buckle adds long-term value by extending the tool's service life. Clear measurement markings in both cubic centimeters and quarts enable accurate monitoring of extracted fluid, preventing overfilling or underfilling during maintenance. Ideal for transferring engine oil, transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and other automotive liquids, this extractor combines ease of use with dependable performance. In at number 3, Ficio Oil Extractor. This 12V oil extractor pump is a convenient and efficient tool for performing clean, hassle-free oil changes without the need to lift your vehicle. Powered by a durable 100W pure copper motor, it delivers fast and consistent suction with flow rates ranging from 1 to 4 liters per minute, making routine maintenance quicker and more efficient. Designed to extract engine and gear oil through the dipstick tube, it eliminates the mess of traditional draining methods while helping users save time and effort. It is compatible with a wide variety of equipment, including cars, motorcycles, lawn mowers, pressure washers, boats, and jet skis, making it a versatile addition to any garage. The manufacturer's quality control process ensures every pump is tested before shipping, so slight oil residue is normal and confirms proper functionality rather than prior use. Now at number 4, Thorstone Oil Extractor. The Thorstone syringe-style fluid extractor is a versatile and dependable tool that makes fluid transfer simple, clean, and highly precise. Equipped with 0.24-inch and 0.32-inch extension tubes that can reach up to 40 centimeters when connected, it easily accesses tight spaces for extracting or refilling transmission fluid, power steering fluid, gear oil, antifreeze, and brake fluid. Its dual rubber ring sealing system, precision-threaded tube connection, and secure locking button create an airtight, leak-free operation that minimizes spills and waste. Built with chemical and oil-resistant materials, the extractor is durable enough for repeated use across a wide range of vehicles, including cars, trucks, boats, ATVs, RVs, lawn mowers, and golf carts. The package includes a transparent syringe, locking adapter, extension tubes with end caps, and a non-drip silicone connector for added convenience. Backed by responsive customer support, this extractor delivers excellent reliability, accuracy, and ease of use for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Finally, our last pick, Duratec Oil Extractor. The Duratec 500 cubic centimeters fluid extractor is a thoughtfully engineered maintenance tool that combines durability, precision, and versatility for a wide range of automotive and equipment servicing tasks. Its comprehensive accessory kit includes multiple extension tubes, a flexible silicone hose, spare sealing rings, and specialized connectors, allowing the extraction system to extend up to 50.4 inches for reaching deep or confined reservoirs with ease. The double seal rubber ring design and precision threaded connections provide powerful suction while preventing leaks, ensuring clean and efficient fluid transfer every time. Constructed from high-quality PP material, the extractor is built for long-term reliability, while the transparent body with clear measurement markings enables accurate monitoring of fluid levels. A self-locking copper connector securely holds the tubing in place, enhancing safety and convenience during operation. Suitable for engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, gear oil, and power steering fluid, this extractor is an excellent choice for DIY mechanics and professionals seeking dependable, mess-free maintenance. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.